Well, hello, and welcome to this video, which is about gathering evidence and writing really good evidence. I want to show you the difference between a low mark and a high mark. So in this example, and it's just an example, but it can be used for many things, the question is, explain how you designed your logo. Now I'm going to show you what you do for a low mark. Okay, so a low mark is going to be something that you do quickly that you haven't really explained fully what you've done. So for instance, I used could be a Draw Plus and added text and colors and made it slant. Okay, so that would get you a very low mark. Okay, so if you're doing GCSE or A level or any other coursework, that would get you a low mark. Why? Well, number one, you haven't explained what version of the software is. Number two, there's no full stop at the end of it. And number three, it's just way too basic. Okay, so how do we bring the grade up of this little bit of evidence here? Well, first of all, we could actually bring a screenshot of the logo in. Okay, so you could screenshot that, okay, and then go back to your Word document. Okay, so we could put in, I use Draw Plus X5 to create and edit my logo. Okay, so we could also put in, here is the completed logo. Okay, here's the completed logo. So screenshot that in there. Maybe let's crop that down a bit so we can see that a bit better. So this is the exported version of the logo. Okay, of the Means Jeans. There we go, my completed logo. I exported it to JPEG format, and I did this because it is an easy to use format for other people to view. The file size is small. Okay, and the file size is, let's go back, file size is 54 KB. Okay, it's relatively small, and 54 kilobytes. Okay, so that's an example of doing the actual logo. So that's one part. And what do you do in Draw Plus? Okay, so if we find the Draw Plus files, so let's just go back and find the Draw Plus file that I use. Okay, there's the Mean Jeans one. Okay, so we're opening Serif Draw Plus. I'm just going to do a quick screenshot of this when it opens. If it opens. And what we're trying to do here is do a screenshot and then add in some arrows. So let's get those arrows ready while that loads up, so we can use some text boxes to explain what we've done. Okay, so I'm going to type in here. Okay, just get those ready and that'll load up in a moment. Okay, and type here. And really what you're trying to do is explain what features you used in the actual software. Okay, so let's get some arrows ready for that. Okay, you might want to make those arrows a bit smaller, so let's maybe have a few more arrows in there. So, okay, so here's our Draw Plus file. Okay, so this is what we're doing. So do a nice screenshot of that, print screen, back into Word. Okay, and in here we've got our quite big screenshot, so let's just pop that down. Okay, remember the examiner can always zoom in, zoom out of your evidence. So we want to say, well, what tools did we use? So you could say things like maybe the envelope tool. So I used the envelope tool, and I added a bold outline and an outer bevel to it to make it look nice. Bevel in black. Just expand that. Spelled that wrong. Obviously, try not to make any spelling errors. Help. What else did we use? Okay. And I used the paint palette text editor and some of the filter effects as well. Okay, so that gives you an idea, okay, of the sort of thing that we're looking for a really good answer. The less you write, the less marks you'll get. You know, it's the same in all years that you've been at school. You know, so the more we can write here and actually explain what we did, the better mark you will get. So I hope that explains a bit about the evidence that you're looking for to get a high mark. Okay, hope that helps, and speak to you soon.